Hi, this is David Adam with Gumdrop Cases, and let's see how we put on the drop deck for the iPad 234. The drop deck for iPad 234 consists out of three parts. We have the silicone skin, the plastic frame, and then the screen protector that has its own frame. So to put it together, the first thing you do is you apply the screen protector and you snap it inside this plastic frame. Then you take the iPad, you slide it underneath the camera, like so, and then you just push in all the corners. So the inner frame is now applied. You take the silicone skin, you slide one corner underneath, and then you peel over the other three corners, and just peel over each edge. So, and then you just go around the iPad and you push down all the edges that are sticking up. There, and that's how you apply the drop deck.
Action.
Taking it off is easy. You just take a corner and just peel it up, then just kind of peel around the silicone. That's how you take off that, and then you turn it around and just take a corner or two corners, and then you just slide it from underneath the camera. And that's how you take it off.